Kwelinye inqaku abantu abalishumi abahamba ngeenyawo babanjiwe ngokuwela uhola wendlela u-N14 eMildersdrift ngokungekho semthethweni ngexesha lephulo lokhuseleko lwendlela ebelisenziwa zii-arhente ezohlukeneyo zogcino-mthetho ngoLwesihlanu. Isebe lezokhuseleko loluntu laseRhawutini lithi umsebenzi wokuqinisekisa uthotyelo lomthetho ujolise ekuphuculeni ukuqinisekisa ukhuseleko lwawo wonke umntu osebenzisa iindlela zephondo kunye nasekuthinteleni iingozi ezibhubhisayo. Isithethi samapolisa ezendlela eRhawutini uSilo Marimane uyacacisa.
Gauteng Traffic Police, working with Mogale City Traffic Department and the South African Police Services, arrested 10 pedestrians for unlawfully crossing the N14 in Mildersdrift during an integrated pedestrian safety operation conducted on Friday, the 31st of July 2026. The operations form part of the Gauteng Provincial Government ongoing efforts to improve road safety by reducing road crashes involving pedestrians who remain among the most vulnerable road users. The National Road Safety Strategies identify pedestrian safety as a key priority and calls for targeted enforcement, education and awareness initiatives to reduce road fatalities and encourages safe road user behavior. The Gauteng Department of Community Safety welcomes the arrest made, noting that the integrated pedestrian operation demonstrates government commitment to addressing dangerous pedestrian behavior through targeted law enforcement while promoting compliance with road traffic laws. These interventions are aimed at preventing loss of life and creating safe roads for all. Road safety is a shared responsibility. Therefore, pedestrians must use designated crossing points, avoid crossing freeways, and obey road traffic signs. I am Silo Marimane, the spokesperson for Gauteng Traffic Police.